Python, determine if a word is in this language or not. I'm having trouble solving this homework question. If anyone can just give me any tips or something to start off with, that would be great. Thanks in advance. Bob and Joe decide to create a new language. The words in the language only consist of the letters A, B, and C. The first words they invent are A and C, then they decide that all the other words are of the form OB or VCW, where U, V, and W are all previously invented words. Note that V and W might be the same word. Write a function in _language that consumes a string S and produces true if S is in the language and false otherwise. Examples.
This is a simple recursion algorithm. If a word is empty, return false. If a word is A, B, or C, return true. If a word begins with A and ends with B, return true if the inner part is a valid word, recursion. Else for each letter C in the word, return true if the left part and right part are both a valid word, recursion. If none of the above is true, return false. Here's an implementation as asked by Swankerleg.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.